Brooke Massey, and in this video I'm going to be teaching y'all how to do solfege and how to read music. So let's get to it. In music, a key thing to know is solfege. Solfege is hand signals along with some words. So it's do, you have a fifth, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti, do. And see how the top one and the first one are the same. So I'll do it again and try to do it with me slowly. Do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti, do. Feel free to pause the video and practice on your own before we move on. Here we see music notes. The acronym for the lines seen are E, G, B, D, F. This acronym stands for Every Good Boy Does Fine. This is a way people memorize the notes. Feel free to pause the video and think of your own acronym. Share it with your friends. The spaces, which are right between the lines, spell the word face. Okay, now let's move on to key signatures. These are symbols that people use in music. The sign on the left is referred to as a sharp, and the sign on the right is referred to as a flat. Here is a key of music. Let's find the key using the sharps on this picture. So to find the key, you look at the sharp farthest to the right and see what note it is. In this case, it is note C. We know that by the word face we talked about earlier. However, that is not the key. In order to find the key, we move up one letter in the alphabet from C, which in this case is D. Therefore, the key of this picture is D. Now let's deal with flats. In order to find the key for flats, the rule is different. For flats, you take the second farthest flat from the right and see what note it is on. In this case, we know it is on note B by using the Every Good Boy Does Fine acronym. Now, we just know that the key is B. There are some basic keys where rules do not apply. Take a look at the picture farthest to the left. There is only one flat. In this case, when it looks like that, the key is always going to be F. In the middle picture, there's no sharps or flats, which means the key is always going to be C. Finally, the farthest picture to the right, there is only one sharp, and that means the key will always be G. These rules only take place in circumstances where there's only one sharp, one flat, or no sharps or flats. Now try to guess the keys on your own. I'll show you some pictures of different keys, and you pause the video, and at the end, I'll tell you what it actually is. This is the key of A. This is the key of E. Okay, thank you guys. I hope that this video helped a lot of you, and make sure to check out my other videos where you can learn simple dance skills, simple acting skills, or a full song and dance routine if you want.